justice at the end of the day. So we want to say that as fighting brutality and impunity, FBI, we want to say that there's a pursuit that we still want to continue to do, because impunity has walked in the corridors of justice, has walked in the corridors of governance in this country. So we cannot keep quiet. So what we want to say is that the Kenyans of goodwill and other people in their area of expertise, as the advocates have come to stand with us, may you stand with this country in your area of expertise.
Now, still on this FBI team case, Osoi, Iram Kimathi, and of course, Kop Shakuru. Jana machiliwa, and of course, the judge was siding with them. Serikali ilishindwa kuwashika. Serikali ilikuwa inataka hao watu washikwe, wasitoke jela until the case iishe. But the government, the court, the judge said, no. These people have not committed any crime and they need to be free. And of course, they'll be coming to court wakiwa nyumbani kwao. And you see, hii case ikiendelea, Osoi na watu wake walisema kwamba polisi walikuwa nje ya court and they were actually waiting to curb these people, wawashike tena wapeleke cell, as the way we've been seeing mtu anachiliwa kotini, then all of a sudden anashikwa tena kwa nje. You see the government wanatumia thorax ku harass watu. So but the police that were outside could not attempt to arrest Akina Osoi, because Osoi, kulikuwa na some people who believe that like they were ex-military that were outside, yeah, waiting for Akina Osoi wakuje. Remember, Osoi shared in his Twitter akisema kwamba while they were in custody, they managed to convince policemen, ex-military, na majudges wote, na even the active military, that they are good people. And of course, these people, vote to support them and to join them. So this is actually a bad message to Ruto, because if this team now, what wanaingia pole, of course it will become a big team, and ikiwa team kubwa, there's no amount of intimidation will actually stop Osoi na team yake from harassing the government, from harassing the police, who are actually killing and maiming Kenyans. And now you see, now as soon as these people are released, we saw Ruto akajitokeza akasema kwamba he will actually compensate the victims who are violence, the victims were demonstration. Those people were killed, those people were maimed, the government will pay them. This is the question. How will the government locate these people? How will they pay them? Is it a way of trying to arrest demonstrators? Because if I go, niambie Ruto kwamba mimi niliumia, of course he will ask me, uliumia wapi kwa demonstration? So you guys wanted me to leave status, enda jela, ama enda Gong Forest. You see now? So there is no need of saying that he will actually compensate these people, because compensating these people someone who lost his son, his daughter, how will you compensate him? Does compensating that person bring back the son or daughter? It can't. So I think this is just a way of trying to play with the minds Akina Osoi na mind ya America, wenye amesema kwamba they have to of course investigate William Ruto's involvement in abductions na extrajudicial killings in Kenya. So see now, Osoi, they have vowed that they will continue with this fight until the government iko in shape. Hence, they will fight para status. You see now, this is a message coming from an ex-military officer, someone who probably does not fear death, someone mwenye amezoea vita, someone who can easily convince active people outside there, active army, to actually join him and of course take this country to the next level. Ama when they were Stone Ruto was status, because this army thing usually happens. Remember in Zimbabwe, Mugabe alitolewa status by the army, aliambushiwa asubuhi mapema, akaambiwa wewe mzee, you've ruled for over 20 years, now you need to leave. And of course that's how Mugabe was ousted from power. Na kama siyo army, Mugabe angekufa kwa power, because after that some 2 years later Mugabe died. Kama siyo, Mugabe angekufa kwa president. You see now in Africa, presidents wanga size wache power. Even in Uganda, you have seen Museveni, despite him being 85 years, amesema kwamba lazima aendelee kuvai. You see now, African leaders who are talking power, even Ruto himself, I'm sure, he will do anything in his power to actually remain there as long as he wants. That's why you see now, he's afraid of people like Osoi, who are actually coming up, trying to, topple his government. That's why you see now, I'll arrest, but since he cannot, put them in jail, now is trying to send police to actually arrest them outside the court. But these police were actually thwarted by the military that were waiting at Osoi. And you saw, as soon as they were released, at Osoi kulikuwa na furaha, and everyone was there, everyone was happy. So you see now, this team is actually becoming powerful. And Babu Wino is the lawyer that has vowed to actually represent these people free of charge in court. So tell me, do you really believe that Ruto is afraid of losing power? Am I losing grip in Kenya? Thank you.
If you love politics, then Dr. Politica is your cup of tea, the place for minds that think. If you are watching this from anywhere else, search the name, hit subscribe, and stay sharp with us. Thank you for making Dr. Politica your home for fearless political truth. Every view, every like, every share fuels the fire behind the hours of research, filming, and editing we pour into each episode. By showing up consistently, you don't just support a channel, you empower a voice. In a world ruled by headlines, spin, and power games, you remind us that real people still care about real facts. We are here to inform, inspire, and ignite critical thinking, not just for today, but for generations to come. You are not just a viewer, you are the reason this platform exists.